camera. Oh, here it is.
You want to give him a little kiss, Tori? Yeah. You guys together. Oh.
Pretty soon we're going to have more visitors.